What's up, Internet? Tony with Fast Intentions. Today, we're gonna show you how to install your Bronco sill guards by FI for your full-size 2021 and up Bronco.
For this install, you're going to need one microfiber towel and a diluted alcohol solution with 70 to 90% rubbing alcohol. Be sure to use soapy water to clean off surface if extremely dirty. Long sill guards are going to sit in the front passenger and driver doors. Align the Bronco guard with the plastic guard seam. You're going to be following the flat surface. Use painter's tape to hold the guard down in place. Peel back a quarter of the sill, cut off the non-adhesive extra plastic piece, and adhere to the body. Once the corner is adhered, you can now place the rest of the guard down. As you adhere the guard, ensure that there are no air bubbles. Adhere the bottom edge corners to the rounded edges of the body. Short sill guards will be installed in the back rear doors. Use the seam of the plastic guard as a guide. Now just repeat the same steps as previously shown with the long sill guard. Congratulations on completing your installation for your FI sill guards. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and follow for more content. Till next time, Internet.